In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a DIY dining table bench for your table using the new contemporary bench kit from Osborne. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. The new contemporary bench kit from Osborne is part 55015 on our website. It's available in multiple wood species and it's going to come with everything you need to create a beautiful dining table bench for your table project. To get started with the assembly, this is going to go together just like our table-based kits with mortise and tenon joinery already installed. You can add some wood glue if preferred, but it is not necessary for these kit assemblies. Simply attach the mortise and tenon joinery and then secure using the supplied pocket hole screws. When assembling your kit, make sure that the skirt boards are oriented so that the pocket holes are facing the top side of the kit. This is what's going to be used to attach the tabletop later on in the process. Once the base is assembled using the mortise and tenon joinery, we can now add the corner blocks on the inside of the base for some extra strength and rigidity. Once again, this kit will come with all of the necessary hardware for assembly, including the hanger bolts and screws needed to install the corner blocks. I find it easiest to loosely install the hanger bolt first into the corner block and then install the pocket hole screws onto each side before tightening with a 1/2-inch wrench. This will allow the corner blocks to tighten up the mortise and tenon joinery just a little bit more, making for a very rigid fit. Next, we can take a 1/2-inch wrench and tighten the hanger bolt connection to the corner block. You don't want to over tighten this, but a little tension is good to make sure that the corners stay stable for years to come. We can repeat this process for the other side before moving on to applying a wood finish for this project. For this project, we're trying to match the finish on an existing set of dining table chairs just so we can add a little bit more space to our dining area. For that reason, we chose to go with poplar for the base material and a red oak for the bench top. Poplar is a great paint grade option from Osborne and it's going to give a really nice even finish. We're going to be painting the base a nice sage green and then we're going to be finishing the top in red oak with a nice warm stain just to add some contrast and give a nice contemporary look to the space. These kits will come sanded to 150 grit and ready to finish upon arrival. You can sand to a higher grit, but 150 grit is going to be a really nice surface for a bench like this. So we're going to go ahead and apply our oil-based stain to this top and let it dry before attaching it to the base. To attach the top to the base, we're going to use the standard pocket hole system that comes with most of our table-based kits. We also offer Z-clip fasteners and figure-8 fasteners if you're interested in taking a look at those attachment options. Now that our table kit is fully assembled and finished, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Thank you for joining me for this episode. If you're interested in learning more about the DIY dining table bench kits from Osborne, you can check out all 3 in the links below. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.